Alright, so it's time for another bedroom fire alarm test. This is test number 15 if I'm not mistaken. Let's go and look at all devices. For the pull station today, we have the notifier BNG-1R. Up above there we have my wheel-lock AS-241575. As you can see, this is an older vertical mount version. Those smoke detectors are the same. We will not be doing anything with those. So we're going to be doing something just a little bit different today. We're actually going to be running a fire drill from this panel to set that off. Now, something interesting. I have this program to do wheel lock sync, and this AS will actually do code 3 and audible silence if you put a wheel lock sync signal into it, which is pretty interesting. So let's get right into it. Alright, so to do a drill, what you do, turn the key, enter, do 1 for system test, 1 for fire drill, and then press enter. Here we go. And then it says press any key to stop. But then that's still going off. You'll see silence doesn't do anything. We still have to reset. And then that shuts off. So now we're going to do the pull station once this resets, which it should be any second. There it is. Let me grab my keys. There's notifier. Let's go. So that is the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching. As always, be sure to check out my Groupme on eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.